Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. So in this video I am going to show you the realm of Samsung cutting edge foldable smartphones. Get ready for an exciting showdown between the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We will explore the latest leaks, specs and exciting new features of these futuristic devices. So without wasting time, let's get started now. So let's talk about the design. There should be no surprises regarding the distinctions between these foldable devices. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to be more pocket-friendly option as it is likely to maintain the familiar clamshell design that the series is known for. Similarly to previous Galaxy Z Flip 4, on the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is tailored for power users, offering a tablet-like experience with its unfoldable large size. Alright guys, so let's talk about the specs one by one. So let's start from the display. So for Galaxy Z Flip 5, it has 6.7 inch inner display and 3.4 inch outer display, which is a bit smaller. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has 7.6 inch inner display and 6.2 inch outer display, which is a big one like a tablet. Alright. So if we talk about the refresh rates of both phones, both have same refresh rate of 120 Hz inner display. And if we talk about the chipset, so both phones have same chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is quite fast. So let's move to the RAM. Galaxy Z Flip 5 has 8 GB of RAM and Galaxy Z Fold 5 is 12 GB of RAM. So it's much faster than Galaxy Z Flip 5. If we talk about the storage capacity, Galaxy Z Flip 5 is about 128 GB of storage, but on the other hand you have more options for Galaxy Z Fold 5. So you can either choose a 256, 512 or 1 TB of storage. This is depend upon you. If we talk about the rear cameras, so Galaxy Z Flip 5 has 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, whereas Galaxy Z Fold 5 has 50 megapixel main camera plus 50 megapixel main camera plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus 10 megapixel telephoto lens. So it's better rear camera result than the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So if we talk about the battery, Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes with 37 MHz of battery, but on the other hand you can see 4400 MHz battery in Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is quite big. So let's talk about the colors. So Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes in beige, grey, light green and light pink color, whereas the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes in blue, platinum, beige, black and light blue. The expected price of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is around $999 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is around $1,799. Samsung finds itself facing stiff competition in the foldable market with the emerging of the Motorola Razr Plus and the Google Pixel Fold as formidable contenders. The stakes have been raised for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5. These devices are now under added pressure to surpass expectations and deliver exceptional performance in the competitive foldable space. So that's it guys. This is the whole story. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friend and family and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.